All right, guys, welcome back to another video. And I just wanted to show you guys how my 2023 CT4-V looks at night in case you were interested in buying one and you wanted to see how it looked. We're just going to kind of go through a little walkthrough of the different lighting settings you can do with the daytime running lights, headlights, signals, hazards, all that good stuff. But let's get into it here. As you can see, you can barely see the car. We have the daytime running lights on right now, and those daytime running lights also turn into signals. As you can see here, we'll turn on the signals. See the left turn signal there, basically just lights up in place and then it goes off, turns back on as your DRL. I'm gonna show you the other side too. So you can see it kind of dims your DRL and uses this bright orange turn signal, which is very nice, and you can see it well at night. Now we will show you guys the full-on LED headlights. So you can see there, they are quite bright, but those are your LED headlights, as you can see right beside your DRLs, and they are very bright. As you can see, we are lighting up pretty much the whole road, and you'll have no problem with visibility with this car at night. But yeah, it looks amazing at night, looks aggressive as well. So now we will show you guys the cornering lights that the CT4-V comes with. And as you can see there, we'll go back to the center just to show you they will go off. So you can see it went off. It's actually that center part of the headlight, and you can see it's back on. And I'll give you a view from here so you can kind of see what it does. So you can see it illuminates that far left side that you would not be able to see unless the cornering, yeah, you can see there once it turns off. Makes a huge difference when you're making a turn. You can kind of see what's in front of you. So that is very nice. And as you can see, we also have these orange side markers that light up as well on the sides. So as for the hazard lights, we will show you that now. You can see there, both DRLs will light up as hazard lights, and also on the mirrors, you can see they will light up as well. That very nice LED look to it. And then we'll walk around to the back so you can see how that looks at night. And yeah, that looks very nice as well. As you can see, we have this LED date. This is also like your DRL in the back almost with the LED. This will function as your brake light and as your hazard light. So you can see there, they are very bright LEDs. Also, you have these very bright license plate lights, which basically light up the ground. We'll give you guys a look at the brake lights. You can see there you have that nice third brake light up top, and also the two on either side. We will show you the the turn signals from the back. You can see there, it lights up that LED portion on the inside. So those are your turn signals. Also, we will show you the reverse lights. So you can see we have this very bright LED light just above the brake light, which will light up. And they're very bright. I know they're small, but they're very bright. So you will have no issue with people seeing you reverse. So the CT4-V is also equipped with approach lights that will come on as long as, I know you can't see the key, but I have the key fob in my hand. And as I approach the car, the lights will come on. So I'll show you here, approaching the car with the key, and you can see everything will light up slowly. The DRLs, the side markers, your headlights will come on. You have these nice puddle lights on the bottom side of the mirror, which will light up your door and the ground. Also, your brake lights and reverse lights are going to come on as well as the license plate lights. But it's a very nice feature to have as you're walking up to the car, especially in a dark area. You know, without unlocking it, you can see your car. So yeah, it's a very nice feature, and they will turn off after about 15 seconds or so. All right, guys, so that will wrap up the light tour video of my CT4-V at night and how it looks with all the different lights on. And yeah, in my opinion, this is the best looking car at night that I've owned for sure.